I'll play you this one. I have a hard time leaving without it. You guys might enjoy it. I tell people when you write songs that you know about, the song generally comes pretty easy. And this was a hard song to write, but it came pretty easy. It tells you a lot about me and the kind of person that I am, but it's not a song about me. I dedicate this to my best friend. 10 years ago, I was on my way home, saw her walking on the side of the highway home. It was raining like hell, and I kept telling myself, not my problem, keep on driving just like everybody else. Why should I be the one pulling over on the shoulder at night? It's just a dog, right? From the cab of my truck to the foot of my bed, to a new pair of boots that she chewed into shreds. Digging holes in the yard, chasing cars down the street, till one got her. And when I found her, you'd have thought it hit me. It took half of my savings to save her, and I didn't think twice. It's just a dog, right? Just an old mutt riding shotgun, getting my seats all muddy. Just the one who I come home to, just my best fishing buddy. We were walking that spring in the sand on the beach. You know she was the reason Amy walked up to me. She lost her place on the couch, but she kept her cool, 'cause she was crazy about Amy, and she knew I was too. And the night that girl left me, she kept me from losing my mind. But it's just a dog, right? It's 83 degrees today, and man, I can hardly wait to get this truck down to the lake. I bet the bass are getting boats in my rear view mirror. Got my tackle box and all my gear. The wind is right, the sky is clear. There's only one thing missing, just an old mutt riding shotgun, getting my seats all muddy. It just hit me, she's not with me like she was this past Sunday. Why am I pulling over on the shoulder with tears in my eyes? It's just a dog, right? She was just a dog, right?